Għax n-nies jafuk bħala dik tal-OnlyFans. Dik tal-OnlyFans. So there is a fucking stupid stigma about this shit here in Malta.
Rachel is a very successful gamer u koll, ġifiri.
Gamer, ismani. All right, if anyone knows, Spooner will know exactly what I'm talking about, but I'm like freaking bronze on League of Legends style. Like, it's really like Spooner's laughing there. It's really not successful in gaming.
I just love to be nice.
Yes, no. I love playing games. Like, I tried to stream. I'd really like to go back into it, to be very honest. Like, it would be super fun. Successful at gaming, not very good at it, but I play a lot of games, if that's what you wanted to say.
Issa, once you're saying you're playing lots of games,
I might.
ma nafx jekk inti tiffrekwenta ħafna is-siti pornografiċi.
I mean, people who tell you they don't are liars.
Are liars.
I always had this feeling, tipo, like, you have, mux you have to, sorry, no, għax in-nisa jaqlaw l-ħara. Imma, like, it's normal. Right? The stuff is all normal, like it's completely fine. And if you would rather hide behind it, go ahead. Yes. The question do you watch porn?
Yeah, CT porn, yes.
Yes, of course.
Issa.
Regularly?
What do you consider regular? Some people consider it 3 times a day irregular. And I mean,
3 times a day.
You look at me like, shit, that is regular. Like, I'm regular.
3 times a day, ħafna, le?
3 times, to me, it's a lot.
Inti.
Għajdinna l-ammont allura,
I don't know what like,
What would you suggest is an
ideal,
healthy amount of porn a day?
Da issek aħna meta morru nkellmu.
I don't know.
Għax inti meta tmur għand nutritionist, tistaqsija tkun esperta fl-ikel. Aħna qed nassumu li inti esperta f'daw l-affarijiet. Tifhem nistaqsu.
I guess I know where you're going, but the thing is I don't actually do porn.
Le, m'għandux xaqsam imma wejja, issa diqa tagħha ta' di li żomm naqra. Di ħamqa l-ħara fuqha di. Ara ġej il-ħara, ara ġej. Titfaħ ix-xor di. L-ektar ħara. Di meta tkellem il xi ħadd li jagħmel il-pole dancing.
Okay.
Now I'm not a caveman, all right? All right? Imma jekk inti il-pole dancing huwa seductive. Mamul biex iqajjimulek. Get what I mean? Tiġi xtejt li għax it's an art, it's still a sexy.
Like twerking, jisu.
Eżatt.
Għandek bżon toħt il-xejn, tobba ta' solma f'wiċċi.
You don't do porn. All right, let me. All right, okay. You do light porn.
No, ta.
Mela, what do you do?
Tgħid li xart.
Ara ma tgħid li xart. Ma tgħid li xart.
Listen. You know, I'm really surprised with you, Jay, because kombinazzjoni. Yesterday I had a subscriber, small penis 69, and for sure I said da JD. Zguri Madonna, man.
Kif
I'm surprised. Don't you know what I do? Kind of thing. Like I don't do like full on porn, all of that stuff. Like I would say the majority of people on OnlyFans do that stuff because, it's just mainly a platform for that. But I don't go that far, if I'm being completely honest. It's a lot less XXX, but it's still
XX.
It's still there.
Pal flokkijiet tiegħek.
XX. Double X.
Oh, there we go. Yes, that's a good one. Yes, for sure. But yes.
So let's jump back a bit to the topic. Now we'll get back to this. We're talking about the games. So inti tħalt ġo sites tal-porno u the ads pop up. Well, there are these games. Jekk inti raġel qatt ma rajt daw il-lob qed tikdeb.
Fucking giddiebu.
Giddib ħaxxej u l-loba. That there will be like, you won't come and you will come in 30 seconds, play this game now. Have you tried any of those games? I've never managed.
I have never tried because they're mostly aimed at guys.
Yes, exactly.
Right? They're mostly aimed towards guys. Like most of the porn sites are all, I would say, just aimed towards guys and stuff. Let's call them males, just in case we have any of the woke people yell at us.
I mean, what would classify porn for women? Mux l-istess ħaġa ħatara.
Doing it. You have those adverts, or do you want to grow your penis in
30 days? Come on, do you want to grow your faldi? Mux ħatara.
No.
Do you want to tighten your pussy?
That will work.
It's the thing about the whole size thing is mostly a guy problem. Girls don't care.
Postja. Għalik, isma.
We said, small penis 69, that is your handle now. But no, like, it's true. All of these games, you're never really gonna see, as that, like you said, do you want to grow your pussy a bit wider? You're not gonna...
But you have a really good voice. You have a really good voice for voiceovers, yeah.
Tajba, nużaw għal-reklam.
La. Eżat.
Imma li kondat, zomna, ġint għatma l-attom dal, imma rajt reklami taħħom.
I've never played these games myself, but I've seen them. I mean, you see them on time on Pornhub.com, both.
Issa, these ads that you said of, do you want to grow your...
Penis or pussy?
I only saw the penis ones. Pussies don't exist. So, you want to grow your penis. Dejjem hemm vuċi ta' mara.
Of course.
It's more enticing. If it had to be the opposite, will it be a man's voice? So do one of the penis now yourself.
With like a
reclam. Like, do you want to grow your penis?
Do you want to grow your penis in 30 days? Click here now, and you can grow 17 inches in just 30 days.
Batajja proset. Issa.
Dirret faw reklam, dirret naħdmu reklama.
Oh, wow.
Jina ħalaq fuq il-fucking Viagra.
My turn issa. Għamma madan nisa jena.
Oh, yes.
Xidwejja.
Lana.
Patrons daqqa wahda.
Ħana
Qabela bil-Malti.
How awkward.
Trid tissikka toqba toxxok. Mux hekk tiġi jemma.
It's so awkward in Maltese. Everything's awkward.
Do you want to tighten up your pussy?
It automatically sounds so much better in English. These things sound so awkward in Maltese. It's the same thing like, isma, dini f'sormi. Like, I'm sorry, like, it just doesn't sound... Oh, wait, Vera. Like,
it's true, it's different. So in English, how will it be in English? So in English, it will be...
I know what you're trying to get out of me.
Bex,
5 euros.
behave yourself. There you go. Nice one. I like that type. Brava.